white black flagged gets one chance to make adjustments to make minimum speed. Oh, Van Hulst to the garage. Van Hulst to the garage.
Hey, at least he's not wrecking another truck.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
You are cutting off. Hulst is still out there. Bob Parker's made a mistake.
Oh my goodness. Parker's error.
That's a rare Bob Parker's error. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah, 28 is...
Get on the apron, you jackass! Jack Wood, the jackass!
Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Go to the apron.
They're gonna wreck.
Please go to the apron.
There it is!
It's a little that was a little bump.
Oh my God, he's stopping.
Oh my God, and David Gillen gets the worst end of it.
Oh no.
Oh no, Jake Drew gets the worst end of it. How the turntables have turned. Oh my Lord. Well,
I said, you know what?
What?
You can come play with us.
God,
oh,
dude.
No. Bye bye, 61. 5 to go in stage 1. I'm still shocked this is only stage 1. The way they're racing right now.
Oh, just you wait. It'll get way worse.
Yeah, that's how trucks start flipping.
Why do you think I said we might get a blowy?
Oh Lord.
If we do, oh my God.
That would be generational.
Well.
Absolute.
Oh, problems.
Purdy's got no. I mean, Cleveland has.
Oh my God, here we go. There it is.
Here we go.
I don't think he's not gonna clear them, because they both got the push at the same time. Just gotta get that run off the corner. God, that 98 is all over the place.
Yeah, the 98 seems loose.
Kligerman's got him.
Maybe. It's a big.
No, not quite. The Ford couldn't side draft the 2 there.
2 to go in the stage.
Oh, final lap.
1 to go. 1 to go.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, no. This is the last lap. Oh, man. Oh, man. Here we go.
Suck him, Kliger! Suck him! Okay, that sounds really bad. I didn't mean to say it like that. It just came out that way. Shit. And they're making a 3rd line. Oh, my God. Well, that might have done it.
They said it's the last lap. Let's go.
Yeah, that did it right there. Because Grant fucking Enfinger. Leave it to fucking chicken fingers to ruin a stage.
Still got Majeski.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is Majeski. I keep confusing those 2.
Oh, Hocevar. Okay.
Oh, never mind. It's over. It's over.
Whoa, my God.
Oh, my goodness.
What a block. What a beast. Holy shit, that was good.
Nick Sanchez.
That was good. Caution, who wrecked?
Who wrecked?
That was the best part.
That was the
Definitely Talladega.
Shut the fuck up, Nick Sanchez. Nobody gives a shit.
I love that place. That's Talladega. I like little photos.
Oh.
No.
Wait, did they have? I was looking at my phone. Did they have Dibby on there?
Yes, they did.
Oh.
Yes, they did.
Oh man.
That's sad.
Fox.
Man.
Oh, Fox is petty for that. Please. Whoa, 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 whoa. Crap,
Oh
stay
my
out.
God,
Crap,
Zane,
stay out.
no.
Crap,
Someone
stay
did
out.
it.
Fuck. Oh my goodness, that's a tire. Oh, Zane.
Hey, you dropped the radio, buddy.
Zane.
Paint them backwards.
Oh my God.
There's a dent in the truck now. There's a dent.
What? What?
What? Two tires! Two tires!
Oh.
Oh, the wheel!
Wheel is gonna win the race off pit road.
God damn it.
Fine.
For real. really, is anyone okay in that?
Yeah, I didn't see anybody like on the ground, so should be all right.
Well, someone actually did fly on to the ground, but got
Oh
right
my
up.
god!
Oh yeah, I think they'll be all right then.
Why does everybody?
The wheel in the grass. Jesus Christ, man.
Suck today.
Oh, he just looped it. Ooh!
Tam.
Damn.
Oh my god, it's in the
The
crowd.
pick remember caught.
my
Oh my
god.
god!
Wow.
He's on X Games
Bro,
mode. He's on
Blood
X
was
Games
really like,
mode.
hey yo, the truck okay?
Goodness.
Was he speeding?
No, he just locked the brakes up too hard.
The
Woo!
goddamn-
He almost went flying like one of Brian K's pick remembers. Look at the radio. Whee! Radio goes flying. Oh, it's broken now.
Oh my goodness.
He dead ass tried to jump over that shit though. That's fucking badass. I like that. That's funny.
X Games mode.
Could you imagine if he actually was successful with that and the fucking truck just went right underneath him?
What would get an NFL scholarship right away?
NFL scholarship?
An NFL scholarship.
No, an NFL contract.
Yes.
Jesus
We're
Christ.
just handing out scholarships.
There's another Stever moment. NFL scholarship.
NFL scholarship. What the
Oh
hell?
my god.
Bro, he just doesn't have the speed. Sanchez is picking up.
Alright, Smith. LePage the field.
Here
Oh!
we go.
Oh! These guys are racing like it's the last goddamn lap. Alright, block him! Block him! Damn it.
They are not gonna make it.
Dude, this is actually pretty fucking good for trucks. I cannot lie.
Yo, rock 'em.
Yo, look at Raja and Ekis on the top.
Oh, but here comes Carew. Welcome back.
Holy shit.
Oh, well, no, never mind. He has
Oh, Nick! Big car tango! Here we go!
Yeah, Carew's not making it back. He's
No!
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh my
Kosovar on
god.
the top. Kosovar on top now. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, pause.
No, what did you say?
Pause. Wait, who's pushing Kosovar? Purple truck. Oh wait, no. Is that Chandler Smith? Oh my god, that is Chandler Smith. Imagine Rockley wins in their first race without Benedetto.
That would fucking suck. I can't lie. Okay, so I'm assuming they got rid of the locking bumper rule. Why are we watching feet? There we go.
Oh my god, it's feet.
Triple cam.
Yo, what the fuck is Mikey said? There's the foot. What the fuck? Michael Waltrip has a foot fetish.
Ew. Stop.
What? Alright, then calm down for once. It's normal. Never mind. Here comes Hocevar. Here comes Carson. Carson. Carson.
Carson, bro. Alright. Over.
Oh, Glenn.
Feet.
Oh my god, it's feet. What a beautiful sight to see. Not.
If it was Deegan's, you'd be fucking... Never mind.
I don't like feet. No. I don't care if it's Deegan's.
Yes, you do.
Shut up, Steve.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Bro, I thought I was the only one that saw that shit on the top. I was like, what the fuck? What?
I thought there was a
Oh,
spin there.
oh great. An aerodynamic advantage.
What is this? Oh my god.
Chevy getting free fucking promotion right here.
Free publicity like they haven't gotten that already.
Since when did
Oh,
NASCAR
it's a
add
black
another
flag.
spoiler?
That's gonna be a black flag.
No, it's not gonna be a black flag. What?
What? I thought they
No,
said
why would
something
they-
about being black flag.
Why
Oh.
would they black flag that? That's,
Almost
that's
is.
literally a black flag in its own.
Oh my god.
4 to go.
Sanchez is gonna wreck him.
Yeah, you know what? Just turn him. Turn him real quick.
It's gonna happen, dude. Holy
Yeah,
shit, we're about to get 3 wide racing boys. Oh! Who the fuck is that?
Ooh, wow.
Oh, it's Jake Garcia.
Oh my god, Jake Garcia, bro.
Jesus.
Again. Trucks on the backstretch.
Oh, Brett!
Goodness.
Fuck!
Sanchez. They just ditched the 32 there. Oh, shit, who's that?
Holy shit.
Okay, why are we still looking at the feet? We're coming to 2 to
Feet.
go. Oh my god, they just hit full screen. Full screen with it. They're like, the battle for the lead isn't important. Just look at the feet.
Could you imagine if Kligerman went full-time trucks? He'd make the final 4. 4 wide.
Oh my. Kligerman would be the next AJ Allmendinger. Dos. In stage. Dos.
What are we doing?
Oh
Fucking
my God.
hell.
Why are they getting so antsy back here?
Oh, fuck! That was a hard hit. Jesus. Look out!
There's the big one.
Oh my god. Who is fucking going full throttle through there, dude?
Watch it be Jennifer Joe Cobb.
Is Jennifer even in this race?
No. No.
Golly. That was a hard hit for
They weren't
Friesen.
gonna make it much longer. Oh shit, who's that? Green, he's getting out.
No, Stewart.
Oh, that's Friesen. No. He took a shot.
It looked like a bad fucking hit, dude.
He took an absolute shot.
Oh, is David? Oh, David Gillen looks like he's done. It looks like he got hit in the fucking rear.
Ingram's in it. What the fuck even happened? I checked my phone. I see a notification pop up, and then 5 seconds later, I see everybody.
I couldn't even really react because I just hear, "Oh, trouble!" And it's like, what?
It's like we all look away just as the wreck happened.
No, I was looking up at the front of the pack and I see smoke and I hear fucking Phil Parsons. I'm like, what? What happened? Oh, here we go.
All right.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Is there
Ingram,
not
he
another
just got
angle of
moved.
this? Look at Jake. Jesus. Oh, man.
Oh, dang it. He didn't get into it.
What? I don't. What?
Oh.
There's not.
Oh,
even a,
wow.
Dude. That was a shot.
It's gonna be... This is the only 2 angles we're gonna get.
That is a fox.
Oh, wait. Here we go.
Oh, this is a good one.
Oh, we got turned by Eckes.
Ah, dang it. Dang it. Ooh.
Damn. Yeah, Friesen got turned by Eckes into Ankrum, and that's
Still
what
doesn't even show
created
how
all of
hard he
that.
hit it.
For fans. I'm an NASCAR fan, and I still think there needs to be some adjustments, but for the most part, I'm okay with it, with the shit that happens.
I'm the only person. Oh.
Jesus Christ. I am putting that in the thumbnail.
Zane, bro, stop staring at me.
Stop staring at me. Zane, stop staring at me.
Oh, we got a crash.
And they're wrecking.
Oh, okay.
Look at Kligerman.
It's gonna happen.
3 wide.
Five.
Whoa!
Four. Oh.
4 wide.
Husavar!
30.
Holy shit! What a fucking badass. I love
He
it.
tried to make it work.
It did
Did
work.
he, though?
It did. He got
Oh, it
past
did.
somebody.
3, it's working.
Holy shit. That was awesome.
Hill with the save of the race.
Oh, caution. They're wrecking.
Caution!
Oh my
They're
God,
wrecking.
wrecking.
And we fucking
Oh, there
missed
they go.
it.
Oh,
Are you
it's
kidding
the
me?
backstretch. Oh my
Caution.
God,
And it's Taylor Gray.
It happened on the back, like I said.
Oh. Aw. Well, that's depressing.
From again. Dang it.
Ah.
Not you Oh, there goes.
Oh
car.
wow, the egg room.
Was it just 2 trucks? Yeah, I guess.
That thing
Oh, there's
was
a third one.
Four.
There,
It looked like 4.
I think there's a third one involved. I don't know.
Profile pic.
All right, let's see here.
Right in front of the Tide truck. That's the truck that's going to.
All right, let's see what we're working with here.
It's going to turn him into the.
Oh shit.
He got turned.
Oh, Crafton.
Oh, no, Crafton!
Oh, look at Curry missing that Rex. Oh,
Oh!
the 17 got some air.
Oh, I think he got it.
Wow, the 17 got air.
We almost got our
He
blowy.
got air.
Oh,
gotta
who the
stem
fuck
a
is
blow.
that? Oh my god, he did get a lot of air. Holy shit. Someone else got some damage back there.
We couldn't barely see it.
Oh, Jack Wood got damage. Okay. Look at this. Ooh!
Oh.
Oh man, we almost got it.
No.
Look at the fucking crew member jumping. What is he doing? What was that?
What the fuck?
It's like a fucking cheerleader.
Out of context. That's not NASCAR
He's
out of context.
jumping.
I don't know what it is. But yeah.
My
Yeah,
god.
yeah. Wait, why did he come down again?
Look at him. What the fuck?
What?
Oh!
Oh my god. That's gonna be a caution. God damn it.
No, not the wood.
This is gonna be a good race to the end too, and now it's ruined.
Say, roll, what? Whoa, trouble! Boy.
Dead.
They might get some momentum here on the straightaway. Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Well, never mind, because Raj is gonna make it 3 wide like a fucking dense motherfucker. Oh, never mind. Oh, caution!
Ah!
Oh, well, speak of the devil!
Wow.
Oh, and I'm the Jixer. We got a new one.
Damn it, Mike.
Oh my lord. I thought we were gonna get a blowy right there.
Phone now.
I mean, where is my phone? Oh, it's right here. Hell yeah.
Now.
He's got a dent in the left front.
He just said that.
Oh, who?
No, wait, the announcer repeated what you said.
Oh, I have the broadcast almost fucking muted because I cannot
Okay.
stand their fucking voices. Well, mainly Jamie Little's, but... Oh, we got spun by Hocevar.
Happened?
Oh, my lord. Oh, Vargas. I hate that Vargas got involved in that, too. It was just a bad push on the exit of the tri-oval. Hocevar's just trying to get something going. That could have been way worse. Holy shit.
Oh,
He could have flipped.
No, he couldn't have.
we could have had a blowy.
Well, they have like 50 fucking flaps in that deck lid, so...
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh no!
It's
Oh, look out!
Birdie!
Damn! Fucking hell. Oh my god.
wow.
Birdie!
The luck for him is just not there.
Mhm.
I fucking knew it. I
Holy
knew Birdie was gonna
shit,
be in one of
dude.
these shits. I fucking knew it.
Oh my god.
Birdie was gonna be the start of one of this shit.
I think he was the one that got turned into the wall. I don't
Well,
think
he
he
was
started
part of it.
anything. Holy shit.
God.
Well,
Damn it, Birdie.
glad I didn't pick him to win.
You want to restart? Another one. We didn't even make it a full lap, I don't think. No, we didn't even make it a lap.
No.
Damn.
No, we didn't. Almost.
Almost doesn't count.
See, remember when I said we were gonna get a shit show?
Oh, yeah. This
Yeah.
is beyond a shit show. This is...
No, we're
Hardcore
not quite
levels.
there yet.
Oh, we're not on ARCA levels, but
Oh,
still.
he tried to make it 3 wide, and the hole kind of closed on him.
Man.
Nah.
Do the sound again.
Ooh.
Man. Oof.
If it was the next gen, that 9 would be fucking flying away. I'm not even shitting you, dude.
Yeah, if this was Roblox, that truck would be flying away.
Oh, don't mention
Boom.
Roblox.
Damn.
Yeah, Roblox.
Shut the fuck up, Roblox motherfucker.
No.
You fucking.
See, right here, I thought we were gonna pan to the 9 fucking barrel rolling in the dirt. What happened?
Look how it's spelled. Look how it's spelled.
Look how it's spelled.
Oh, what? Red
It's a red fluke.
Oh my god.
I swear to God, it's died. I mean,
Outside is more
might
trucks
not be dying. I mean, the
pushing, so
inside
Moffat's
line
gonna get
does
the lead
have
right here.
No help. Yeah, he has. The inside line has no help.
Oh, never mind. They're gonna be even.
Oh. Drivers! We got a driver!
Dean! Dean!
Where's my Dean Thompson, boy? Just take it 3 wide real quick. Oh my God! Please don't wreck. They're so
Keep it for the-
close. They are sucking each other.
They are, but
Oh, there it is! Oh my pit! Oh my! Oh! Oh my God, Van Alst! What a fucking hit! Oh my God!
wow.
Holy shit! Yo, Van Alst fucking hit that wall hard.
Who
That
did?
took out almost everyone.
That's a big one.
Holy shit! Look at that thing!
Oh, damn!
Dude, he hit the wall so hard it lifted the rear tires off the ground. Yeah, red flag immediately.
Almost
I
right
think.
by his pit
Red
stop.
flag.
Brent Holmes just fucking spun it. I mean, he should be alright. Holy shit, pin outside the box, it's penalty. Oh, fucking Corey Roper.
Ah, not Daniel. Oh wait, no. I mean Roper. Oh no, that's Roper. Never mind.
Look, watch the fucking 20.
Tried to go to the middle, very much like
Whoa!
Oh!
What?
Ah! That's a,
Oh man, Lawless Allen almost got hit.
started this.
that is a shot and a half.
Man.
My goodness.
Yeah, this angle's gonna show it. Watch the 20.
This is just a situation where
Motherfucker, there's 5 different cars. I can't tell which one it is.
Oh!
thinks he can get in a hole in another.
Oh man.
Oh, Holzbauer got hit. He did spin a little bit, but he should be fine.
She got through.
Man.
Deegan got through.
That
What?
20, man. Oh my lord. Oh, he's got damage. Aw, my pick.
Brett's had a great run here. Look at all these trucks. Hard contact.
Deegan's up there.
Chance if she gets.
Oh,
Remember when I said
the brothers Gray.
Once she's got a shot.
The brothers Gray in it.
Spades to the inside, maybe thinking about
Oh, I mean,
Sanchez. It was Sanchez.
no, Crafton kind of cleared himself. Oh man.
You're not clear, motherfucker.
trying to get in the middle and there was room.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god.
fuck, that angle. That was the best angle of it. Oh my
Shit.
lord.
Kept it going straight. Raja Karuf, the save of the year.
Did he stop?
By Sanchez.
Is that the 2 pit box?
Oh my god, we got beef, boys.
I believe he was telling
No
you.
mistakes.
Moffitt and Eckes, Rhodes and
That
Smith.
second truck on the inside line.
All right, green, green, green,
Green
boys.
flags in the air.
The ones that went to victory lane
Let's see.
last year.
Let's see
Green
who screws
flag
it
is
up.
in the air for NASCAR. Craftsman
This is gonna be
carries
stupid.
overtime.
Pretty even start
I mean, it was stupid the last time.
No, this is gonna be a dumb finish.
On the inside and the outside.
That's what
Four
makes the
trucks
truck
lined up on
series
the
great.
inside. Oh, that's gonna
Damn, that outside line has no
on
help.
the outside between second
Inside
and
line's
third.
gonna get the advantage.
Oh,
God, I want to see. What is this filter on the
Yeah.
camera?
Oh, wait a minute.
Tried to
Wait a
extend
minute.
it, but
Eckes!
with the front
Eckes!
side.
Not clear. Not clear.
Bumpers.
Well, that was
Oh
locked.
my
That's about as
Eckes, get clear.
Oh my god.
Bro, this is a tandem.
They are
This is
hooked
a
together.
tandem.
Bumpers.
This is tandeming.
This is gonna
Lead
Eckes to
up.
the race lead. Here we go.
Christian Eckes
Smith
to the
right
point.
behind them to the trial ball.
One more lap to go, boys. Here we go.
White flag, last lap. Next flag ends the race.
White flag is in the air.
Oh my God, Eckes.
There goes Moffitt to the top.
Oh, Purdy. No, that's not Purdy.
Moffitt's gonna get a huge run right here. What a block. Oh my god. What a move.
3 wide for the race lead down the backstretch for the final time.
Here we go. Oh my god. Kligerman. Kligerman.
Parker.
Oh my
He's
god.
not clear. He's not clear.
What does this
Oh,
camera
he's clear
work?
now.
Whoa.
Eckes. I mean, Kligerman. Smith.
Chandler Smith.
Kligerman has no help.
Chandler Smith might make the move right here. Here we go.
He can't.
Here we go. Who's gonna get it?
Oh, he's gonna try it anyway. Fuck it. Rose pushed.
Oh, and Moffitt wins. Holy shit.
This is going to win it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Rose just
Wow, Brett fucking Moffitt. Oh my god. That's
He
awesome.
can thank Ben Rhodes for that one. Thank Ben Rhodes.
Eckes finished 19th. Oh my god. Deegan got P8.
Deegan got 8th.
Let's go.
Let's go, Moffitt. Yes. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome.
Seth Barber. He's like, all right, I'll come off.
Wow.
6th different winner.
At Talladega. In the last
And we actually didn't fucking wreck. I'm surprised.
They had to take it a little bit slow after the
What a
last
race,
time.
dude. That was a good finish. I'm not gonna lie. That was really good.
Man.
Could you imagine if we didn't have a
Next week is
fucking yellow line
Thompson.
rule? We would have had a 3 wide finish.
Was in the garage.
Man.
This was a fucking amazing... What a fucking move by Moffitt.
Balls to the wall move. And then says, skirt, skirt.
Kligerman gave him a break. I will say that. I feel like he gave him a break there.
Kligerman saved him right there. Or else that would have been another wreck. And then fucking Rhodes in the tri-oval
13
Oh, here we go.
for Brett Moffitt.
just shoves the shit out of him.
Grimes, Iowa.
Unfucking believable.
Hell yeah, buddy. Burn it all the way down.
I do want to see a race version of this being made.
Same scheme almost. 2 different wins.
Oh my god, the right rear! The right rear's fucking gone.
First win for front row.
Let's go!
13.
Talladega. And how about
Good
that?
fucking shit.
10 years since Front Row Motorsports last won Talladega.
10 years.
Holy shit. That's awesome.
For 2.
Good for him, man. What a great fucking win. That's awesome. Boys, I'm editing the fucking Talladega video, and then I see this. What the fuck What the fuck? I'll kill you. Oh my god.
I'm gonna fucking kill you in Homestead. You fucked with the wrong guy, motherfucker. I'm gonna fucking kill you in Homestead.
Hi, this is Steven Stumpf. Make sure to hit that.
Okay, that's what the fuck?
Check out the.
Wyatt! Yes! Wyatt, yes! He got it! Oh my god! Yo, I'm going on Twitter, bro. What the fuck? Yo!